Hello students, it's Mr. Meyer, Tech Coach here, just with some quick tidbits or helpful on how to save your Blackboard Collaborate Ultra virtual classroom link to your desktop or as a favorite, so you do not have to go to your Gmail every single time. So first thing we need to do is go to our Gmail, so we can get to our Gmail student through G Suite. So go to fcps.edu. You can click right here to the G Suite. This will ask you to log into your G Suite. If you're not already logged in, it might take you to something like this. If you don't see your account here, you can just say use another account, and you're going to type in your student ID number at fcpsschools.net, and then type in your regular school password, the same one that you use to log into your computer, and that will get you into your Google Drive. From Google Drive, you can access a lot of the Google Suite. We want to access the Gmail, so click on Gmail, and then you're going to go and try to find that Blackboard Collaborate email. Okay, Blackboard Collaborate email. Click on that, and you will see the invitation here for your first grade virtual learning. Okay, so several things you can do here is, one, you can go ahead and open it, and it will log you in. And then what you want to do is in Chrome, you want to hit the star right here to star that. Okay, it looks like I got one for recording, so let's go back and do the invite. You want the Blackboard Collaborate invite. All right, so we want to click on that link there, and it'll bring you into your Blackboard learning session. And if you're in Chrome, you'll notice this little star right here, and you can just hit that star, and that will make it a favorite, so bookmark it. And if we want to put it on the bookmark bar, hit done, and then you will see it's right there. So every time I click that, I can go here and click that, and it'll take you right there. Now, something that might be a little bit easier is if you go back to your Blackboard Collaborate invitee, the Gmail, and you do a right click, and you want to copy this link. So right click on your mouse, copy link address, and then you want to go to your main screen here, and we're going to put a desktop shortcut. So we want to right click, new, and we want to put a shortcut here, and then you're going to right click paste, or you can do Control V. Control V is a nice shortcut. Hit Control button and V, and it will paste that in there for you also. But most people, again, can just do the right click on the mouse and you can do paste. All right, and we're going to hit next, and now you can give it a title, and you will see it pop up right there. So right there. So now all I got to do is, when I get onto my computer, I click that link. Now we give it a better name than BBCU, maybe first grade virtual classroom, but it takes you right there, so it's nice and easy. All right, everyone, I hope that helped, and if you have any questions, email your teacher, and if she has questions, she'll email me. All right, have a great day.